안녕하세요, 학년. Hello, fifth grade. Hope you're doing well. I miss you so much. I know learning from home is not easy, so I'm trying to make it a little bit easier for you by going over your homework. So today is Monday, and I'm going to go over Monday's homework. So you should all have received a Korean packet in your bag, in the brown bag. Can you get that for me? This will be the only packet that you get. Starting from next week, everything will be online. So we will be paperless except for your textbook. So this is the only week where you have to fill in the packet. So let's get started. If you flip to the first page, it is a review of our vocabulary that we've been learning. So we have 어제, 오늘, 내일, 년, 월, 주, 일, 평일, 주말, 월요일. Do you remember days of the week? 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. Then we add 요일 to say day. 월요일, 화요일, 수, etc., etc. This page will help you fill in your homework. So, on the next page, you need to fill this in. So you would start with yesterday. You can use this to help you. So yesterday is, how do we say it? 어제. So you should write yesterday and then keep filling it in, keep filling it in. And then how do we say weekdays, weekend? And then Monday, how do we say Monday? 월요일. Okay, good. And then you get down here and we have our months. In Korean, do you remember how they say the months? It is just the number. So we learned how to count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's all we need for December. So let's start with number 1. I want you to write it two ways. I want you to write the number plus 월, and 월 means month. So this would be January. But then I also want you to write out the number, how it sounds. So this would be 1월, 1월. And then February, 2월. So you need to write this and this, okay? I filled in 2 for you because they are special. Do you remember October? It is 10월, but we don't say 10월, we say 10월. And June is 6, but we don't say 6월. What do we say? 6월. Okay, and then over here are the questions we've been learning. How do we say what is the day today? 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요? 요일 being day of the week. And we could say 오늘이 or 오늘은. Today is not Friday. 금요일 아니에요. What is today? Today is Monday. 오늘이 월요일이에요. And then what is the date? So the actual month and day. 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 오늘은 or 오늘이. Today is the 30th. 3월 30일이에요. All right. When is your birthday? 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? And you can also say 생일이 몇 월 며칠이에요? Then on the back, so after you fill in all of this, flip it over to the back. And there are some questions you need to answer. So the first one, I've highlighted the pink. These are the days. Is it going to be today, yesterday, tomorrow? Is it going to be asking about your birthday? So that's what this is. So 어제, what is 어제? Okay, is yesterday. So yesterday, and then what is the question we're asking? 무슨 요일? What is 요일? Day of the week. So 어제는 무슨 요일이에요? How do we answer that? What was yesterday? If today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. How do we say that? 어떻게 대답해요? 어제는 일요일이에요. Okay, number 2. 오늘은 무슨 요일이에요? 오늘. That is today. 오늘 is today. So what is the day today? What is the day today? So what is it? Today's Monday. 오늘은 월요일이에요. Today is Monday. Okay? Then 내일 is Tomorrow. What is the day tomorrow? Tomorrow should be, if today's Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. How do we say Tuesday? 내일은 화요일이에요. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay, so you should be able to do that on your own. You can use your previous pages to help you. Now we're getting into a different question. 내일, what is 내일? Tomorrow, 내일이 몇 월 며칠이에요? What is the date? And I want you to write out the numbers in Korean. So the date tomorrow is March 31st. How do we say that in Korean? 3월 31일이에요. Because we have to have 일 being day, but 31, 31일이에요. So you need to write out the numbers in Korean. And then 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? So 선생님 생일은 5월 26일이에요. 5월 26일이에요. But when is your birthday? So you need to write out your birthday. And then 친구의 생일이 언제예요? When is your friend's birthday? If you don't know your friend's birthday, you can use a family member, like your mom or dad or a sibling. Just ask them for their birthday. And then in your packet, you have another page. It looks like this. There's a front and a back. The back looks like that. Okay, so the front, we have a question. We've got a calendar, right? 달력. And what month is it? 12월. Then we have different events, right? 파티, 크리스마스, 생일, someone's birthday, 오늘 meaning today. First question, 오늘이 며칠이에요? What is the date today? 오늘이, well, we start with a month and we're writing out the numbers. How do we say 12? 12월, and then the date. The day is 5. It is December 5th. So O and then 일이에요. Second question, 한스 씨 생일이 며칠이에요? When is Hans's birthday? Well, we have to look for 생일. We have to look for that. Oh, here it is. Okay, when is it? December 13th. So what should we write? It's the same month. So 12 should go here. 12월. And then, how do we say 13? 13. 13일이에요. Okay, Christmas. You gotta look for that. Here's Christmas. And then you need to do the month and the day here. Okay, same with the last one. 회, it's asking about like a meeting. When is the meeting? And you have to write out this whole thing. You have to write in the month and the day at the end, so it needs to be a full sentence. Then on the back, it's a little bit different. 전화번호가 몇 번이에요? Remember when we do phone numbers, we just read out the numbers 4281-3009. And so that's all you need to do there. 오늘이 며칠이에요? What is the date today? It is the 19th. How do we say 19? 오늘은 19일이에요. 19일이에요. Here it's saying 이리나 씨 전화번호가 010-9056-1205예요. Is that right? Well, if we look here, that's not correct, right? 안 맞아요. 안 맞아요. This should not be a 9. This should be a 5. So we need to rewrite out the numbers in Korean. So 0, 1, 0, 5, 0, 5, 6. So you need to write out the numbers of this phone number. And then here we have to ask the question, what are we asking for? Someone's phone number. So that question is 전화번호가 몇 번이에요? What is Hans's phone number? And then the last question, we have to write out the 질문, the question, and the 대답, the answer. So what are we asking about? It says 소라 씨 생일. So what is 생일? Birthday. So 생일이 언제예요? When is your birthday? And then write out the date. So you can use our packet to help you write out the question. So I'm giving you, this would be the answer to one of those questions. So that is all of your homework. I will also put these Google Slides onto your Schoology so that you have that. Let's see. Yep. So if you go under Schoology and then you click on, oh, okay, actually I don't have it set up for, hold on, okay, I'm gonna, okay, so you need to finish this for your homework for today, and then you also have an exit slip on Schoology. All right, if you guys have any questions, you know where to find me on Google Meets, or you can email me or message me, either is fine. All right, 감사합니다. 안녕.